He falls every time.
You were up for 7 seconds. Oh, I got a good shot of it. Good job. That was awesome.
Great job, kiddo. The least out of any of us.
Got it?
There you go. We're getting the hang of having these things. There he goes. He turned too fast.
I know. Well, that's the hardest part, is knowing how far to.
Yeah, I didn't really turn much at all.
It's okay.
Here, swing
I'll
it.
help you. I'll help you.
Swing it like that.
Roll. Yeah. Let me get Colleen on video real quick.
You want to go by yourself? Alright, I'll be right behind you.
Go. Stay straight. Oh, sorry. Was I right?
It's okay.
Nice call.